Welcome to the map coloring simulation. In this simulation, you will see how a maximum of 4 colors are required to shade sections of a figure, such as a map, so that no two sectors shaded with the same color touch each other. This concept is extended in a mock chemical storage activity, where interactive substances must be safely stored in an appropriately organized manner. The first part of the simulation has a whiteboard with various figures outlined. Your task is to color each section with a color unique to the immediately surrounding sections. To begin the simulation, select a marker color from the bottom of the screen. Here, I chose blue. Next, click on sections of the figure to color. You do not want two adjoining sections to have the same color. If you make a mistake, choose another color and click on the section you want to recolor. To clear all colors on the entire whiteboard, click on the eraser and then move the eraser to any portion of the whiteboard and click again. Remember though, this clears the entire whiteboard, not just one section or color. Continue coloring the figures until you have completely colored the whiteboard. Click on the Analyze button to check if you colored all sections properly. Once you have successfully completed the color map activity, click on the Chemical Lab button at the bottom of the screen. You can return to the color map activity at any time by choosing the Color Map button. Your task in the chemical laboratory is to organize the storage of chemical bottles so that no two interactive chemicals are positioned directly next to each other. To position a bottle, click on a bottle and drag it to a shelf position and release the mouse. Repeat the process until all the bottles are properly stored. When you think your storage plan is complete, click on the Store button. A red glow indicates an improperly stored bottle, which will likely result in a virtual explosion. After the explosion, you can try again until you achieve the correct bottle positioning scheme. The Reset button moves all of the bottles on the shelves back down to the tabletop, while the Regenerate button presents you with a new set of bottles.